Hey, y'all know what happens when we pull out that Rambo knife, man. We got some heat to unbox. We got some sneakers to talk about, and especially with them being a little early, we had to drop this gem for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, man. All right, real quick before we get into it, sorry to point the knife at you guys, but I do have a package from the homie Jada Steer guy. I think I know exactly what this is, courtesy of Big Bro, man. Appreciate you, dog. Yeah, this one go crazy, bro. This one right here go crazy. I seen this on Instagram. I said, whoo, I can't wait to throw this joint on. And yes, sir, we have the Chicago Cubs. I hope I'm saying it right. You know, I'm terrible at the names with the MLB teams, but it goes perfectly with the true blue threes. And I'm telling y'all, I was a huge fan of this pair. Wasn't excited about the retail tag, but the sneaker itself, I like this a lot better than the 2016 pair. And then, you know, I think it's the Clockwork Shop that he did a collaboration with on the fitted, and this joint goes crazy. Like, I really think they executed this one perfectly to a T. For the real sneakerheads out there that love the true blue threes, shouts out to my guy Jay the Sneaker Guy, you know what I'm saying, for the collaboration. Sending this hat over to your boy, man, it's always a blessing when you got friends like that want to, you know, send you some stuff that they done worked on with other brands. And yeah, this right here go crazy, bro. Shouts out to the homie. And yeah, man, you can't tell me this don't go crazy. And hold on, is this the same team? I don't know. I'm telling you, I'm terrible with names, but is that the same C? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section. But yeah, True Blue 3, Jada Sneaker Guy collab on the fitted. Yeah, this is crazy, bro. Oh, and I also picked up a couple early packs from the homie as well. It's probably gonna be a two-part type of video. You know what I'm saying? I've been trying to get a little bit more to the point. I know short form content is king right now, so I've been trying to get straight to the packages, bro. You know what I'm saying? Still give y'all a little content in between, a little commentary, but definitely get straight to the point, or straight to the point as I can. And I don't even know which one I got or which one I'm unboxing early first, but got 2 early packs in, so y'all stay tuned for the next one. I don't know what it is, but we do have a face box. You know what I'm saying? We do have a face box. I don't know which sneaker this is, so this is a surprise to me. So here we go. I know exactly what they are now by the colorway and the size tag. Air Jordan 6 Retro, white and black, and I got them in the size 9.5. Not too sure on how I'm feeling these, so I did want to get them early to kind of, you know, peep and check out what we do have. But back in the day, I wasn't a huge fan of these, and I don't know if they're going to change my opinion this go around on this release. And yes, sir, bro. Here we have the Air Jordan 6 Oreos. Now, again, I wasn't a huge fan of them back in the day, and I'm looking at them now, and I'm like, they cool, you know what I'm saying? They're a cool colorway. I definitely don't think you need to force it and get it if you're not a huge fan of them. I think, one, if you're a huge 6 fan, you will like these. But in terms of the colorway itself, not a huge fan of the Oreo on the 6. Oreo 5s go crazy. And I think that's where I leave it at. Even the Oreo 4s, you know. Oreo 4s is probably one of the craziest tumble leather that they threw on a Jordan 4, and the Oreo that went, you know, pretty well together. But for me on the 6, I don't know. And I'm not a huge Air Jordan 6 fan. You know, my favorite sneaker is the Carmine 6s, but that's because I hold a little bit of sentimental value to me. And but the Oreos, I don't know, man. What y'all thinking, bro? What are y'all thinking about the upcoming release of the Oreo 6s? I think they pushed this release date back a little bit. If I'm not mistaken, it released like late August or early September time frame. But I will say this, right? Even though I'm not a huge fan of this Air Jordan 6, I do think this is a very, very clean colorway. I think it's a very, very clean colorway in my honest opinion. And you know, I can't hate on it in that aspect, you know what I'm saying? But in terms of, you know, me going crazy for them or trying to, you know, get these for retail, oh nah, I think these definitely gonna go for under retail when we get to the release date. But you know, you got your Oreo speckles on the midsole, you got your clean icy blue bottoms with the black Jumpman down below, and no extra laces, man, no extra laces. And then for the lace lock, the pacifier, I think we call it the pacifier on the 5s, these, you know, just a traditional lace lock speckled as well. And on the back, man, you got your black Jumpman and white stitched in Air underneath. And yeah, this is all you get, bro. This is all you get with the Oreo 6s. And again, I'm not trying to downplay the sneaker. I'm just not a huge fan of them. But again, if I got the opportunity to get something a little bit early to show y'all, to see how y'all feeling them, you know, I'm definitely going to do that. Yeah, and it's just sad too, because I've been talking about it for a while, right? I've been like, Nike, y'all dropping too many colorways. Some of the stuff y'all can keep. And I honestly feel like this is one of the ones they could have kept, bro. Like, that's how much I'm not a fan of the sneaker. It's not even trash though, you know? If I can get these for $100, you know, $90, $120, then I would definitely do that. But paying $230 after taxes and fees, like, yeah, nah. Y'all can keep these Nike and Jordan brand. But again, I stand on it. They need to drop these retail prices. It's only hurting them, bro. It's only hurting them for them to be pushing all these shoes out to these stores and stuff like that, asking for $250 for a shoe, and then they're gonna sell like these True Blues gonna go on sale for like under $200, and it's gonna be like, yo, we just took all that L, bro, like a $54 L. I mean, I could have just retailed them at $190 and it had them, you know, moving like hotcakes, you know what I'm saying? So that's just my take on the whole retail price situation. I got a reel going up right now, or it's a YouTube short where we talking about the retail prices and them just being dead, bro. The retail prices are dead, which makes you feel like, you know, the sneakers are dead, but nobody wants to spend that $190 to, not even $190, I'm tripping. I don't even think no shoes been reselling for $190 except for like a Jordan 1, but for Jordan 2s and up, everything 200 plus, and yeah, not a fan of that. But man, you guys let me know how you feeling about him. Clean Air Jordan 6, not needed for me, but again, had to bless you guys with an early look at some upcoming heat, man. So let me know in the comment section, bro, how y'all feeling. Will y'all be copping? Will y'all be passing? And I did want to get an exact release date on these. I'll be checking StockX for, not StockX, I'll be checking GOAT for everything in terms of release calendar. And I want to say it's like late August. Let me check real quick. So yeah, actually it's not late August. They have them scheduled for August the 6th. And yeah, pairs are still going for a decent price in terms of, I guess you say early, but like this is gonna be one of the ones that's going for under retail. And I don't even care if these were to sell out. Like, that's just how much of a fan I'm not of them. Like, I think I said that wrong, but I'm not a fan of these joints at all, bro. But again, in the comment section, let me know how y'all feeling about the Air Jordan 6 Oreos. I need everybody that tapped in today that ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, run them likes up, man, drop some comments down below. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.